Hi, this is Casey Redmond with Cincy Marketing Maven, and today we're going to talk about Google My Business pages for small businesses and why they're important. So, Google is still the top web browser across the world, and therefore any Google property is going to rank higher on a Google search than any other property. Google My Business pages are Google properties. And therefore, by claiming your Google My Business page and populating it with your information, you are going to show up at the top of searches versus your regular website. It's going to be, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I did a search for lift kits in Florence, Kentucky. One of my clients installs lift kits on Jeeps and trucks. So when I typed that in, the very top one here, Saver 4x4 Outfitters, that's my client. And they showed up at the top of the results. So I click that, and it brings up, you can see, you can click here and read reviews about the company. You can click this button here and go to their actual URL website that they pay for. Or you can click here and get directions to their location from where you are. Or you can click this button here and call the business directly from their Google My Business page. And here you see them on the map. Now I'm going to go here to this tab and show you the back end of Saver 4x4 Outfitters Google My Business page. You can click this drop down here and view data, for the last week, for the last month, or for the last quarter. So I selected 1 month because I usually do my reporting by month. And you can see here of all searches that 1,353 people visited Saver 4x4's Google My Business page in the last month. So if you hover over this graph, over 90% of those came to Saver's Google My Business page through discovery, which means, like I did, typing in keywords that relate to the business's services or product. 1,227 people did that. If you hover over this is direct. This would be if I would have typed in Saver 4x4 and gone to their Google My Business page from that. And this branded means someone actually typed in a competitor's name and then clicked on Saver 4x4's Google My Business page instead. So if you continue to scroll down here, you can see how many people clicked on their page from the search results and how many actually clicked on their location on the map. And if you scroll a little more, you can see how many people clicked the visit the company's website button from their Google My Business page, how many clicked to request directions directly from their Google My Business page, and how many actually called the business directly from their Google My Business page. And down here, it actually shows you the zip codes and area where most people are contacting you from the Google My Business page. And if you scroll down, this is the calling portion, and it tells you how many people called on what day of the week and what the average time that they called, and such like that. And this could give you a good idea of when you should maybe pay more attention to your phones with your staff and things like that. So I also wanted to go back to this tab real quick and show you that this search, let's go back real quick. that when I did this initial search, that Savior 4x4's actual website doesn't even show up on the first page. Like the URL that they invested in and paid for, Google My Business pages are free, isn't even listed. But here you see that they are the top search result with their Google My Business page. So I just wanted to give you a little quick and easy tour of Google My Business and let you know that this is a quick and easy way to get your business to the top of search results, and that Cincy Marketing Maven can help you out with this, help you populate your page with photos and fill out your information and manage it for you with posts, as I do with Savior 4x4 Outfitters. So thanks for watching, and I hope to talk to you again soon. Bye.